Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Right now we're taking a look at the gold market. Well, the gold recently moves really fast, and even we haven't expected such strong pace to the upside. So you can see that market has completed our short-term targets around 1190, 1193 just with a single trading session. So market just yesterday has really jumped for approximately $20 per contract, so it's really very fast move. That's why today probably it will be logical to expect some bounce, because take a look, market has completed this large A, B, C, D pattern, and take a look that the CD leg is much faster. So if you will draw the line just to measure the speed of this action, it's approximately the same speed, mostly due to this retracement. But in recent action, you can see that speed is really fast. You can see fast action to the upside. Also, market has completed the 127 butterfly and suggests some minor retracement down. What else? And finally, market has completed. Take a look. Has reached the daily overbought. That's why in the current conditions, although market looks really bullish, but it's not the time to take the long position here. So probably today and tomorrow trading sessions we should better wait for some retracement down. We could probably suggest that market really could show another leg up to the 12 even area, mostly because it's a psychological area, and also that is the 1618 extension of this inner A, B, C, bottom D pattern. That's really possible, but I'm not sure that this will happen immediately, because this level seems stronger than the real gravitation to this area. Market could reach this area just as the pathway. When this market will continue to move higher, for example, it will be just occasionally will hit it and move down, move further to the upside. But right now it's not really safe trying to take the long position here. So if you're bullish and you trade on the daily time frame chart, you should wait for a market for some bounce and then think about taking the long position. As for gold market is typical to retest previous broken tops, this could be suggested that market could retrace down, for example, the 3/8 support of this most recent to the upside. Well, if you're a scalp trader and you would like to trade retracement out from this level, you could watch for some reversal pattern on intraday charts. For example, if we'll take a look at the follow time frame chart, the one pattern that could be the reason for the trading is our 3-drive pattern. It's not really a very good shape, so it has some flaws, but still legs seems rather harmonic, as you can see this market. So the thing that you would like to see is some reversal pattern on the hourly chart as well, but since it's too few time passed since market has hit the resistance area, so nothing has been formed yet. So if you would like to trade it on the bearish side, you should drop to your time frame to the hourly chart and wait for some reversal patterns at this top. As soon as this pattern will be formed, you could try to take the position. Well, following this logic of this pattern, this retracement should be somewhere in an area around 1150. So this retracement to the downside really could happen, because usually when the 3-drive starts to work, its minor target is the bottom between the second and third drive. It's a minimum target of the 3-drive. But how it will turn in reality is difficult to say. One thing that we could say right now is that it's not time to take the long position. And also we can't call you to trade it short on the intraday charts, because this setup is not suitable for everybody, because it stands with additional risk, since our major expectation, our major assessment of the market is gold is bullish. That's why we mostly better to call for waiting for retracement for taking the long position. That's why we can't call you and just tell you that you should trade it definitely to the downside with some retracement, some scalp trade. That's for those of you who are confident with this action, who are confident with trading on intraday charts with this retracement patterns, let's call it in this manner. Well, that's probably all on the gold market today. So that being said, major conclusions that market has completed some important targets in the short-term charts on the daily chart, and currently the chance on retracement really significant. That's why currently it's better to wait for the pullback, and after that to decide where we could take the long position, and will we still have the desire to take this long position, depending on what we will see after the retracement.